Don't trust Telegram or WhatsApp groups with fake reviews. That's when the real scam starts. Hello everyone. Today I am sharing something very serious because it's hurting thousands of innocent people in India. If you ever watched a stock market video on YouTube, if you ever thought about investing money to double it, or if someone online has told you they have a guaranteed strategy, please stop and watch this video till end. This may save your hard earned money or even your family's savings. Right now, fake online stock market experts are everywhere on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, even on WhatsApp and Telegram. They create attractive videos that show a person making lots of money in just a few minutes. They say things like, look, today I had a small loss, but I made it four times the profit on the next day. My trading strategy always works. No losses. Sometimes they say, just register here, you will start earning from day one. Link in bio or description. Join the Telegram group now. It sounds exciting, right? But all of this is part of a scam. Let me explain how it works. You watch their video and think, wow, this person is making 30,000 a day. I want to learn too. And you click the link in the video description or in the comment section. You are added to a Telegram group which looks very active. People there are messaging things like, I got profit today. Thanks, sir. I just received my 50,000 payment. I paid the tax and got my full return. Sharing screenshots in the group. But guess what? These people are fake. They are part of this game. They are there to make you feel safe and build your trust. The scammer then asks you to register on a fake app or a fake website. The design of the app or site is copied from trusted brands like Zerodha, Grow, or HDFC Securities, SBI Securities. So it looks very real. You are asked to invest a small amount like 1,000 rupees, 1,000 bucks. The next day they show you that your balance is 1,800. You feel excited. It's working. You think they ask you to invest more money, 20,000, 50,000, even a lakh. The app keeps showing fake profits like your balance is not 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 7 lakh. But when you say, okay, I want to withdraw my money, that's when the real scam starts. They will now say, first pay tax of 10,000 rupees, you have to pay. Then they say, now pay clearance fees of 5,000 rupees, you have to pay again. Next, now pay GST service charge, international fees, security charges. It never ends. You keep paying, hoping to get your money back. But every time you send money, you are losing it for good. Eventually, they block you from Telegram, delete the group, and vanish. You are left with nothing. No refund, no help, no one to call, only regret. Now you might wonder, why are people falling for this? Here is the truth. People are looking for quick money. They trust videos with good editing. They see other people in the group and think it must be real. They don't know the difference between a real trading app and a fake one. And most of all, they don't know the rules of investing. So now the question arises is how to invest, the right way to invest, and understand a real trading app or a fake one. So let me help you understand. Here is how to safely invest in the Indian stock market. Always invest through SEBI registered brokers. These includes Zerodha, Grow, Angel One, Upstocks, ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, SBI Securities, etc. etc. I'm not promoting anyone. Okay. Now, the second thing that you can do is that make sure you do KYC, yani know your client verification with your PAN and Aadhaar. The next thing that you can do is that you only download apps from Google Play Store or Apple App Store, never from random websites or APK file. Start small, learn, read, watch beginner tutorials on trusted finance channels. Remember, the stock market has ups and downs. No one can guarantee profit every day. Even the best investors make losses sometimes or most of the times. How to stay safe from these scams and how to protect yourself and your family. Don't believe anyone who says guaranteed profit. Don't register on any unknown site or download apps from links. Don't trust Telegram or WhatsApp groups with fake reviews. Do not share your bank or Aadhaar details with strangers online. Always check if the broker is registered on www.sebi.gov.in. Take help from someone who is already investing through legal platforms. Report any suspicious app or channel to cybercrime portal or SEBI. Please don't be the next victim. These scams are hurting real people like you and me. A student who lost his entire savings, a retired man who invested his pension, a housewife who trusted a YouTube guru and lost a lakh rupees. Don't let it happen to you or to someone you care about. The Indian stock market is a powerful way to grow your money, but only when done legally, smartly, and carefully. Share this video in every WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook group if you are a part of. Help spread awareness and stop this scam. Stay informed, stay cautious, and always invest wisely. Thank you so much for watching and hoping a great day and Jai Hind.